Here is the most effective strategy to answer questions based on function notations. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll see a function which is plotted on the graph, and from here we'll take the useful information. I'd like you to explain all the steps involved in getting the solution of this question. So, we're given a graph y equals to f of x as shown here. You need to find domain, range, and evaluate f of minus 3 minus f of 1 and find x if f of x is minus 3. So that's the question for you. You can pause the video and answer. Now let me provide you with the solution in complete details, which will be helpful for those who are beginning to learn functions. Now we should begin by identifying all the points given so that we correctly answer all the questions. So let's write down the coordinates of all the points. Begin from the left side. So let's begin from the left side. The very first one here is minus 4, minus 3, correct? So that is the first one, minus 4, minus 3. And then we have here at minus 3, coordinate point y value is 2. So we have minus 3, 2. Then we have minus 2, minus 3, right? This is minus 3 for us. So we have minus 2, minus 3. Let me write here also. That is at minus 1, correct? So minus 1, 0, you know. So we'll write this as minus 1 and 0. Now we have the next point, which is at 1, 4. 1, 4. The next one is at 2, 4. And the last one here is at 3, 2. Clear? So once you write down the points, make sure that you have included all. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have taken care of all the 7 points. So now our answer is going to be correct. So now let's begin answering. First part, find the domain of the function. So what is domain? Well, domain is all the x values, the values for the independent variable x, which you write first, right? So these are the elements of the domain, right? So let's write down the domain now. So which is minus 4, minus 3, as I have highlighted them. Easy for us. And that also ensures that nothing has been missed out, correct? It is a function, so no x values have been repeated. Perfect. So that is it. Now let's look into the range part. So we are going to highlight the range, which is the y values, dependent variable values, correct? Each element in the range will now be copied from here, which is minus 3. We have twice minus 3, so there is no need to rewrite it, correct? I prefer to write it in order, so I'll put 0 first, right? And then we have, as we go up, 2 and 4. Do you see that? 2 and 4, right? So when you write range, there are some duplicate numbers. So each element should be written only once. Do not write them twice. That is very important. So there are 4 elements in the range and there are 7 elements in the domain, right? It is a function. Is that clear to you? Perfect. So now let's move on and answer the next part, which is evaluate f of minus 3 minus f of 1. So look at the graph and find the value of f of minus 3. So where is f of minus 3? So basically the value at minus 3, right? So this is minus 3. That is the point we're looking at, which is 2, right? So this is equal to 2. Also now find what is f of 1, right? So f of 1, So let me highlight it with a different ink, right? F of 1 is at 1, what is the value? So that is the value, 4, right? So f of 1 is 4. And now you can easily answer the question. You want to find what is f of minus 3 minus f of 1. That really means you want to do 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. Is that clear to you? Simple, effective method to always get the right answer. That's where we are, right? Well, in case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. My students are right there on the top, getting awards and scholarships. Okay, so let's move on and find solution for part D, which is find x if f of x is minus 3. So this question is slightly different. It says find x, right? So we need to find x means independent variable, right? And we are given that f of x is equal to minus 3. So the y value is given to us. F of x is the output, right? That is given to us as minus 3. So here is minus 3 for us, right? So for minus 3, what is the value of x? We actually have two values, as you can see here. Perfect. And therefore, we have x as equal to minus 4 and minus 2. Is that okay? So there are two solutions for the given situation. These are the two answers for you. You get the idea. So that is how we should be answering such a question. So with that, we have answered all the 4 questions related to the given graph. And I hope you have understood this strategy. So the idea here is, once again, identify each and every point, right? So start with writing the complete set. You get the idea? Once you've done that, then you start answering the questions. It helps. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.